so yeah, we'll just put the microphone in there, and that. Next, we just put the speaker and the shield that covers the speaker and keeps it in place. Okay, so we need to put the screws that hold it now. Okay, and I'm just gonna double check that the camera is aligned, so it needs to come out a little bit further. Okay, there we go. Okay, yeah, it's all good. So we're just gonna take a quick look at this frame just to make sure everything's okay with it. And I could already see that this corner is a little bit bent, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean it up first.